Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check the refund amount of a canceled order on Amazon. This is especially useful when you want to confirm exactly how much was refunded and track where that money went, whether it's back to your card, bank account, or Amazon gift card balance. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Now move your mouse cursor up to the top right corner of the screen and hover over Account and Lists. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent and past orders. Although I don't have any orders right now, I'll walk you through what you'd see next. On the Orders page, you'll see a list of all your purchases, including any that have been canceled. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific canceled order you want to check the refund for. This might be labeled with a status like canceled or refund issued. Once you've located the order, look for a button or link that says order details next to that particular order and click on it. This will open up a detailed breakdown of everything related to that purchase. On the order details page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Payment or Payment Details. This is where all the financial information about your order is displayed. Here you'll be able to see the original payment method used and any refund transactions associated with this order. Look carefully for a line that mentions refund followed by an amount. This will show you exactly how much money was returned to you for this canceled order. Right next to the refund amount, you should also see a status indicator. This might say something like refund processed, refund initiated, or refund pending, which tells you the current state of your refund. If you notice a link that says view refund status or view refund details, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed refund page with comprehensive information. On this next page, you'll be able to confirm the exact refund amount, the date it was issued, and most importantly, which payment method it was sent to. This could be your original credit card, your bank account, or it might have been credited as an Amazon gift card balance. This information is crucial because it tells you exactly where to look for your refund and when you can expect to see it reflected in your account. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Amazon refund amount for your canceled order. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.